Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that cutting one day off from your work week could make you more productive, more focused, and even happier? The idea sounds too good to be true, right? But the 4-day work week isn't just a fantasy anymore. It's a real world experiment that's showing promising results across industries and continents. In this video, we will explore what it is, how it works, the surprising outcomes, and what students and professionals like you can learn from it. Let's dive in. A 4-day work week means exactly that: 4 days of work, typically 32 hours instead of 40, with no pay cut. But it's not about cramming 5 days of tasks into 4. It's about rethinking how we work altogether. The focus shifts from how long you work to how well you work. This concept is part of a broader shift toward valuing output over hours, a shift that's long overdue. Ireland ran one of the largest trials from 2015 to 2019 involving thousands of workers. What did they find? Increased productivity, better work-life balance, and less burnout. Then, in 2022, a massive UK pilot involving 61 companies revealed that over 90% choose to continue the 4-day week after the trial. Even big names like Microsoft Japan experimented and reported a staggering 40% boost in productivity. Clearly, something is working here. So, what's the secret? Well, think about how much time gets wasted in a typical 9 to 5. Unnecessary meetings, constant notifications, long hours that drain creativity. A shorter week forces teams to plan better, meet the purpose, and eliminate fluff. Plus, people come back from their 3-day weekends more refreshed, more energized, and actually excited to work. It's not about doing less, it's about doing better. Of course, it's not all sunshine. A 4-day work week won't work everywhere. Customer support and healthcare need constant coverage. For them, rotation systems might be better. Plus, companies need to shift their culture from celebrating long hours to celebrating results. That mindset change takes effort, especially in traditional workspaces. And let's not forget, less time doesn't mean more pressure. Workload needs to be managed smartly. Even if you are still a student, this movement teaches something powerful. Being busy doesn't mean being productive. Learn to prioritize your time, cut out distractions, and focus deeply on one thing at a time. And most importantly, respect your rest. Rest isn't laziness, it's fuel for your brain, whether it's studies, freelancing, or future jobs. The smartest people work with focus, not just more hours. The 4-day week is gaining traction, but it's still early days. For it to work at scale, employees must be accountable and organizations must be willing to evolve. It's not just about cutting a day, it's about redefining productivity and trusting people to do their best work without a clock hanging over them. So here's a thought to leave you with. Maybe success isn't about how long you work, but how smart you work. Could you thrive in a 4-day work week setup? Would you give up Friday for a better Monday through Thursday? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content that challenges the way we think about work, growth, and life. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.